lipsticks. Listen, I get it. Finding lipsticks for brown skin has to be an underrated skill set that no one recognizes, but it takes a lot of effort. Personally, I have invested a lot of money into lipsticks for it to not look anything like they marketed it to. So if you're someone like me, you know that finding lipstick for brown skin is a whole journey because of hyperpigmentation, undertones, and color theory. So I've spent a lot of time to find the perfect shades that work well for brown skin so that you guys don't have to. By the way, this video is part of my new series called Brown Skin 101, where I try out products and skincare that work well for brown skin so that you guys don't have to and give you guys the right recommendations. So do subscribe and follow along with my series if you're interested in more brown skin content. The first lipstick is going to be a wine shade. You know I love my wines. I feel like reds are something that could be a little bit difficult to rock, but wines are colors that look really good. I feel like wine is the shade that's made for brown skin, and anyone with brown skin can rock a good wine color. This is the Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Wine Touch. This is a very beautiful creamy wine color. And the Lakme Forever Matte range already is one of my favorite ranges because the color stays for a long time. It's creamy, it does not feel tacky on your skin. And on top of that, this shade also looks really great. So let's see. This is how the shade looks. By the way, I'm not wearing any makeup on my skin. So this is how the shade looks on brown skin with hyperpigmentation. This looks like a very natural wine shade. It's not really that dark. So you can just wear it straight out of the package and rock it for the day. I love that this is between a red and a brown. It's not too overpowering and it looks very natural on brown skin. The second lipstick is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. It's in the shade Transformer. This is one of those shades that's been mentioned on Amazon's reviews as the best shade for dusky skin. So I was really excited to check this out. It's a very beautiful magenta-ish, brownish color, which I felt like looked really good on brown skin. I feel like this is a very beautiful pink that works for brown skin. I've always felt like pink lipsticks don't work good for brown skin, but this one's a bit more of a magenta mixed with a brown. So this looks good on brown skin. I feel like if it does look a bit weird on your skin, it's best to go in with a brown lip liner. This is how it looks after I use a brown lip liner. I feel like it overall blends in really well once you use a brown lip liner and looks very natural. I feel like for brown skin, it's always about creating your lip shade that works for you. It's going to be very rare to find the shade that works good straight out of the box. So I generally always carry around a lip liner to fix up these lip shades a bit to match my skin tone. Bold matte lip liner in the shade Dark Chocolate. And I will link all of these products in the description box below. The third lipstick is actually not a lipstick. It is a lip tint. And this is a recent find of mine which has been working really well. I feel like this would really look good on brown skin. This is the Earth Rhythms Lip Cheek Tint. I will put up the shade name here. I've almost been using it every day. It's a beautiful cherry red and it's very workable and buildable. You don't really have to go for the red look if you don't really want to. And I just dab on a few drops of it on my lips and this is how it looks. It leaves a very natural red flush on your lips and on your cheeks if you use them. This looks really natural on brown skin. So it's not a lipstick. This is wearable every day and you can just carry it around every day, everywhere. This is not a watery texture like other lip tints. I have to say that this is kind of like a gel texture which just stays on your lips and it like gives this very dewy look. This one kind of goes away after a while, but still I have been loving this product, and if it goes away after a few hours, I just reapply this. Let me know if you guys want me to make a separate video on red lipstick for brown skin because I know they are a very difficult shade to work for brown skin and difficult shade to find. The fourth lipstick is a classic brown color. It's from the Face Lip Whip range and it's the shade Stroke. This is a very cool toned brown, so I thought this would not work well for me because I am warm toned. But this has been something that I've been loving. My friends have it and I tried it on a couple of occasions and it has become one of my favorites. This is how the brown color looks. This gives a very chocolatey dark brown look. It is a bit cool toned, which makes it look a bit gothic on me. But overall, I've been really liking this look. And the texture of this lipstick is super lightweight and creamy. So this has been one of my recent favorites. The last lipstick of this video is going to be a nude lipstick. This is from the Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color range. And it's in the shade Nude Dream. This is how the shade looks. It's very light pink. And if I just wear this shade alone, it's gonna look a bit weird. But stick with me. It looks weirder than I expected. This is how the Nude Dream color looks on my skin. I know it looks a bit weird, but I feel like this makes the perfect nude lip combo. I line it up with the Swiss Beauty Dark Chocolate Lip Liner. And this is how it ends up looking. The combination of the pink and the brown looks perfect. This has been my go-to lip combo because this gives a perfect nude lip for brown skin. I hope you guys like this video. I have linked all of these products in the description box below. And do follow along with my new series called Brown Skin 101, where I can review more products like these and give you guys the perfect recommendations. Subscribe so that you don't miss any video from this series. And let me know down below what kind of products you're looking for me to review on Try for Brown Skin. So do leave a like and a comment because it really helps, and follow along with my journey to find the best products and skincare for brown skin. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!